Hello friends, welcome to Finance Tutorial. Today we are going to discuss how to calculate the present value of an annuity. So an annuity is a series of cash flow at equal intervals. Like suppose you are receiving a payment of dollar 1,000 at the end of each year for the next 5 years. That is an annuity. So in our previous video, we learned how to calculate the present value for a single cash flow. And today we are going to discuss how to calculate the present value of a series of cash flow, which is to be received at equal interval in the future. So if I draw a timeline, so if there is a single cash flow, like we calculated the present value of $20,000 in previous video. So you have to drag this to discount this to time 0 to know its present value. So if there is a series of cash flow, of certain amount, then you have to discount each cash flow to its present value at time 0 to know its present value. So let's understand this with an example. Suppose you are going to receive $1,000 at the end of each year for next 5 years. So the annuity is at the end of the period. Today you are going to have an option from 5 years, or you have an option to take $3,850 today. Which option would you select, assuming the rate of interest is 10%? So to calculate the present value of this annuity, you can use this formula where the present value is equal to P into 1 minus 1 plus R to the power minus N by R, where P is the periodic payment, R is the rate per period or the rate of interest or the rate of return, N is the number of periods. So P in the given case is 1000, R is 10%, N is 5. So the present value would be 1000 multiplied by 1 minus 1 plus 0.1 to the power minus 5 divided by 0.1 is equal to 1000 into 1 minus 1.1 to the power minus 5 is equal to 0.620921 divided by 0.1, which is equal to 1000 multiplied by this whole amount is equal to 3.790787, which comes out to be 3790.79. So the present value of an annuity of 1000 for the next 5 years is 3790.79. You can also calculate the present value of this annuity using the Microsoft Excel, where the function you have to use is PV, that is the present value. You have to give the rate 10%, NPR, that is number of periods, PMT, FV, future value, and the type, whether the annuity is at the beginning of the period or at the end of period. So rate is 10%, number of periods is 5, PMT payment is 1000, FV is 0 or you can leave it blank, and type is 0, that is the end of the period, or you can leave it blank. So the present value comes out to be 3790.79. So coming back to the example, the present value of the annuity is 3790.79, which is the first option, and the second option is to receive $3,850 today. So you should go with this amount to be received today, which is higher. There is $3,850, which is higher than the present value of the annuity. I hope you would have understood the topic. Please go and check out my Patreon channel. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel. The link for the Patreon is given in the description. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video to get future videos like this. Thank you very much.